Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. Those who celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas, and I hope your Christmas Eve is going nicely. And those of you who don't, have a wonderful day, and I hope that, I don't know, maybe you get a couple days off wherever you are, even though you're not celebrating a holiday. So today I have some happy mail, and I thought it was too much to wait and put it all in updates this weekend. So let's go ahead and open it together. And I have one here that I don't know who it's from. And then I have mail from Ashley, who is Artsy Ashley, and Cheryl and Pam. They don't have channels, but they support me, and I think they're going to be, at least one of them is going to be in my blue collab, so you'll be able to follow them on Instagram. Oh, so I saw Ashley making these cards, and these are very, I think, very formal looking Christmas cards. She didn't love them. I think, maybe the lack of color, like she didn't seem super excited, but I just thought they were really elegant because the papers are black with silver foil in them. And then look at the trees, and then she has glitter and a lot of ribbon. Really, really elegant. Definitely not red and green, but very elegant. Wishing you health and happiness this holiday season and the year to come. That's a really cute stamp. And I think the snowflakes are part of the same stamp too. Oh, she said, thank you for always inspiring me. Oh, I try, Ashley. That's really cute. I think they turned out gorgeous. You didn't seem like you loved them, but I did. And then she has this stamp that says handmade with love by Artsy Ashley. Very, very cute. And then you guys know I always talk to you about the stamps. I won't do that today. And this is from Cheryl. And Cheryl is a blue lover. Her favorites are blue and yellow. Cheryl, I thought that I had sent you a card and forgotten to include this, but I didn't. Do you like these embellishments? I don't know if they're really you because they're a little frilly maybe, but if you like them, I would be happy to send them to you. I knew I had not done yours, but I couldn't remember why, and then I found those. Oh, look at this. Okay, so she folds hers the opposite way to protect it so that it doesn't get beat up when she mails it. So what she did was she mailed it like this, and so that protects her card front. And look, super cute. Oh, I wonder what happened to the snowflake. Okay, so those wood snowflakes don't seem to mail well. I don't know where it is, but okay. Maybe I dropped it when I opened it. Maybe you guys saw it. But look, this thin one is gorgeous. I don't know where she got that one. I am having trouble with my larger embellishments this year and really not using them because we're having troubles. And she has this paper has a lot of foil, and there's a hologram around the snowman. And then look at that cute little snowflake. Neat things. And that one looks like a die cut. Really fun. So Cheryl said something cute. She said she appreciates my openness on YouTube. Lots of people say that I'm real. I don't know. Maybe it's because I show you the messes under my couch or in my cupboard or whatever. She also said, this has been a year just made to make friends on our computers. And I just think that's so true, Cheryl. Very, very true. That is so cute. Okay, I don't know what this is, but it's cool. I might tear this off and put it in my journal. I don't know what it is. Is it like Shrinky Dinks or something? What is it? Maybe it's just a really cool sticker. Maybe it's a really neat like 3D sticker that she's got on there of that snowflake, but I definitely like it. I think it should probably go in my December daily. Oh, there's fun stuff in here. Oh, look, that little snowflake that I was admiring. Now I have my own. Oh, and it has friends. Oh, fun stuff. It is an envelope jam-packed with fun stuff. So if I send you an envelope like this and the stuff won't fall out, grab some tweezers. That's really the best way. There you go. Oh, look at all that. That's why it didn't come out, because she filled that full of goodness. She's die cut all sorts of snowflakes. Oh, these are going to be awesome in my December daily. Look at that. Ooh, I like that one. It's kind of tealy blue. Love it. Thank you so much. Oh, and one of those too. Thank you so much, Cheryl. I don't know how you fit that all in there. I don't know what Pam's up to, but look at this. I think I should chop that off. That must be her, I think it's her packing tape. That's really cool. She sends me a lot of fun blue stuff, so you just never know what she's up to. And I don't know how to get in there. And Pam, it's the same as Cheryl. Like, I didn't know Pam before. And, you know, you just kind of get to know each other, chatting back and forth all the time on video descriptions. So when you hear me talk about other people, I don't ever want you to feel excluded. It's not like you're not in the club, because if you are here watching this video, you are a friend. Now, I don't want you guys to have to wait like an hour, but I really don't want to cut that tape in half. Okay, I'm going to do it for you guys, because then I'll have 2 pieces of tape, right? I hope it's not super fragile. You guys should probably never send me anything that's super fragile. I'm not trustworthy enough. She says she thought I would appreciate the recycled packing materials. I absolutely do, and hopefully I haven't showed your address. I'll be sure and edit that out if I did somehow. But yeah, and if you get packages from me, you're very likely to get like an Amazon thing or something. You get recycled stuff. I just do it. You know, that's funny. I was just thinking, I don't really have, I don't know. I just don't have general sentiment stamps that I think I want to use. So those are cute. So she said that she got these hearts at a garage sale, and this was about 1/15 of the supply that she got. And look at them. They're cute little love hearts. These would be so precious to make Valentine's with. Last year I made tons of Valentines because I didn't get holiday cards out at all. But I don't know. And do these mail? Well, Cheryl did it. I should be able to mail them, right? She said she had trouble cutting the joy, but she loved how the blue velvet ones came out. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's cool. Oh, it wouldn't cut right on the glitter paper. It's really fine. Look at these. Okay, those are super cool. Can you guys tell that they're like a rich navy? They turned out good. That metallic paper, oh, I see, and then it lost its layer. Super cute. Those are darling. This is a cute little double envelope pocket thing you've got going here. And then, oh, okay, you have a card in here. I just thought you wrote me a note. Oh, look at that. She was showing me she was just busting out Christmas cards like crazy. I think she procrastinated a little and had some catching up to do. Pam, that's so sweet. She said that this friendship has become one of her most cherished memories of 2020, you know, from chatting and Instagram back and forth. And I would say the same. So many of you that I've gotten to know, and I just really appreciate it. And Mr. Crafting and Relaxing is always like, who are these random people that she is updating me on? But I do. I tell him what's going on with you. Look at this. Oh, caramel apple. Okay. I am not like a mature, non-sugar eating person. So I'm pretty excited for this. I feel like I'm going to eat that and watch TV. Oh, hot cocoa. Yeah. I ran out of, I'm going to tell you the truth. I ran out of the marshmallow cream that I bought because Tanisha said you should put it on hot chocolate. She was so right. The container is gone, and I felt I wasn't mature enough to buy another one. But I do have whipped cream, so I'll be fine. Thank you so much. And I can tell there's a little marshmallows in it. Thank you so much, Pam. These things are adorable and fun. You guys do not have to spoil me. I just love to hear how things are going, see pictures of your work when you message it to me on Instagram. I do have a Facebook page. I don't know if you can post in there, but if you want to teach me how to let you, you know, you guys are welcome to post in there. I tried to make a group one day, but so far it's just me and Andrea. I don't know who this is from. I don't know if I recognize the handwriting. Cute washi. Please do not bend. So I'm thinking it's one of our people. Lots of cute washi. I can pull that off and use it, huh? I don't know. Somebody wanted to remain secret. Be a Santa. Good heavens. I didn't do like a Secret Santa thing this year. Okay, let's see. Let's see if they identified. Oh, look at that cute little washi. They identified themselves. Oh my. I'll be gnome for Christmas. So this is from Eileen. And Eileen is someone that I met in person. Now, actually, I think the first time I met her, I had already started my YouTube channel, but we developed our friendship from going to crops together. Okay, so it's been a while. If it wasn't a COVID year, we probably would get together at least once a year. We did go shopping. I think I posted a picture on Instagram, and she sells Close to My Heart. And this is the paper that Crafty Reasons Brandy beat her to and sent to me. And she's colored this gnome and put glitter on his beard and looks like Wink Stella on the box. She said something funny too, because it's COVID times, right? Keeping in touch and doing projects together, yet apart. This is so cute, Eileen. You guys spoil me. You just spoil me. Oh, look at those. So I don't know Close to My Heart products very well. I'm kind of, I guess, like outdated as far as the, like, would you call them party products? I haven't been to a Stampin' Up! Or a Close to My Heart party in 100 years. Oh, these are neat. And they're flatter than like than the Queen and Company ones I have. And they're just really, there you go. You can see they have like kind of a cool texture to them. These are cute. Oh, love those. I like to see different stuff. As I work through my December daily, I'm starting to put stuff away, because if I've used something 2 or 3 times, I don't want more of it in there. I mean, put stuff away is kind of a loose term. Oh, and here's some pearls in a real pale, they call it Bluebell. What did they call this one? Bluebell. Huh. Maybe that's not the name of the color. So these might be Close to My Heart washies, or they might have just been out of her stash too. Because she hasn't been a Close to My Heart person a real long time, so she might not have like a bunch of Christmas stuff. But, oh, these are cool. They do really neat dimensional stuff. She sent me some before too. Okay, we have to get out of COVID so we can start making really cool 3-dimensional cards again. Thanks. Oh, my K broke off. I can fix that. I can fix that. Thanks. Shine Bright. Hello. Hugs. Hello. Oops. There were some fatalities in here. I won't let them be fatal. Okay, we've got congratulations. Don't worry, Eileen. I'll reassemble us. And thanks. I'll get out the fancy glues. Maybe super glue for that. I don't have, a lot of you use E6000. I don't have that. I don't know if that's different. I have my 3-in-1, but it's like rubber cement, so I think it would show. Okay, this is like dense. I don't know what this is. You've got me stumped. Sorry. Mr. Crafting and Relaxing hates waiting for me to open presents because I make it so I can reuse everything. Oh, cool ribbon, glittery shimmer trim. Oh, I like it. So nothing's really falling off of it and it's not too rough. Really cool. Let's just leave that on the counter. We'll definitely use that. I'm guessing you'll see some of these in my next December daily video. And some of you will say, oh, I've seen that. Oh. Okay. Now I have a blue one of these that Noni gave me, and I had not used it at all. And then lately I've been using it and I just love it. And I think, why did I let this sit around for a year? Well, probably because I lost track of it. I'm curious. I won't do it right now, but I want to test them out. It's called Sapphire. I'm hoping it's a little bit different color than the one I already have because, they're not the same brand. So then I'll have 2. How fun. Thank you so much. And then more? What else do you have in here? Okay. Whoa. This is really cool glitter paper. So doesn't seem messy, very sparkly, and not rough, not jagged or anything. Really nice. So she put it in cardboard to help it mail nicely. Great idea. Love it. Are you guys blinded? So sorry. Didn't mean to blind you. Okay, did we get... All right. Sorry I took so long. I've made a big mess. And I think you'll see some of this blue in the coming weeks. I'm going to work on my December daily and other stuff, and it'll show up everywhere. Thanks so much for watching. And again, happy holidays if you're celebrating, or happy days off. I hope you're taking care of yourself and staying safe. Bye-bye.